Good morning. We did the yard. Still got to garden that though. There's the chicken coop I made. But here, let me show you the yard. I got my zennias planted. I got my rock garden. Some of them are getting big, some aren't. We got the whole yard. Beautiful. There's my little vine garden. The white flowers are finally coming out. I trimmed that red bush. This here, it was 30 years basically of trees and bushes here. See my little oak tree that's growing? Did that. I gotta still do borders and stuff, but so here's the whole yard. It's pretty nice. I got birds all over. Shut up, Rowdy. That's his house. I know it's a mess. I'll show you that's the red burning bush tree. He might come after me because he's a brat. And he scares me. He made me fall. See that root I got yesterday? What you doing, cuckoo? Sorry the camera does that. Got all that, but that's my garden area too. I got all strawberries there. We got a lot of work to do, but it's getting there. Good morning. Thank you for listening. Have a blessed day. Keep looking up.